Welcome to Marina in Cucina. Today we are cooking a very nice pasta, very easy, that you can do with your kids too. And it's from south of Italy. And now we start. We need potatoes, water, and now put it in a bowl, add the salt to the flour, add the flour, not all, now you can add some water. And this is the pasta. We cut the pasta. We have our piece of pasta and so, as I told you, this is a typical pasta from Puglia, and from Puglia we have our chef. So, I introduce you my chef, your chef, Gianni. Gianni, please. So you can show the first. So first, how is the real name in your dialect of this pasta?
The name is Strascinàt.
So it's something that you can repeat, I'm sure. But you have to test it and then you will learn. So now you have the pasta like this. You cut it in 2 centimeters. And then we ask to our chef to do the first one. Look at your 3 fingers. And this is how long they have to be. Buon appetito! Enjoy!